Hi everyone, good morning. I hope you are able to see my screen, right? And you are able to hear me, right? Please confirm. Are you able to see my screen? Please confirm. Are you able to see my screen? Okay, fine. So, okay, in this session, we'll understand more about the HTML tags. There will be a lot other tags are there. So, we'll try to analyze those tags. Okay. I hope you guys has been practiced the first session. Session2.html. I'm going to create a simple HTML file. And in the earlier session, we have discussed about the HTML template and uh, about the header tags and paragraph tag, right? So today we'll discuss few other tags. Okay. So in HTML, if you want to mention comment, okay, so you have to mention in this way. Okay, this is the single line comment. Okay, comment means only for our understanding, not to show the data into the browser. Okay. So now we will be discussing few tags like strong or bold tag, italic or EMP tag. Okay. Subscript, superscript, anchor tag, link tag. Okay, we will be discussing these tags now. Apart from that, we'll discuss about the HR tag as well, horizontal line. Okay, so let's just do one H1 tag. This is session basics of HTML. Okay, let's open this with your live server. Okay, you can see our website has been loaded. Here you can see session 1 is there because in title we have mentioned session 1. You can mention session 2. Now you can see it is session 2 here. So if you have any doubts, any queries, you can ask me at any time. It's better end of the session you can note down all your queries. End of the session you can ask me all your doubts so that the class will not distract. Okay, so now we'll see the different type of tags. What are these tags? So first we'll see the HR tag. HR tag is the horizontal line. You can see, are you able to see one line here? So let's start with 3 lines here itself. You can see the lines, horizontal lines. So to draw the horizontal lines, we'll use the HR tag. Okay, so now I am using a simple P tag. Here, um, writing some content. Okay, you can see here I am writing some content. Okay, here I am writing some content as well. So I want to write from here this data to be in the next line. How can we do that? So for that we will be having a tag called BR tag, break tag. Okay, so now you can see. So break tag here itself I will write. BR means break tag. What break tag will do means it will break the content and show it in the next line. Show or display it on the display. ఓకే సో బ్రేక్ ట్యాగ్ ఎందుకంటే మనకు ఏదైనా ఒక సేమ్ ఒకే లైన్ లో ఉన్న డేటాని మనం మల్టిపుల్ లైన్స్ లో డివైడ్ చేసుకోవాలనుకుంటే బ్రేక్ ట్యాగ్ ఎక్కడైతే మనం డేటాని డివైడ్ చేసి నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ లో రాయాలి అనుకుంటామో అక్కడ మనం బ్రేక్ ట్యాగ్ యూస్ చేస్తే అక్కడ నుంచి డేటా అంతా నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ లోకి ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే సో సేమ్ లైక్ దిస్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు just make this I am writing to next line, what we need to do here, we need to give one more PR tag. Okay, you can see here I am writing some content, so three different lines are there, but I have used only one p tag, but because we have used the br tag, so it has been divided the content into different lines. That is why we will be using the br tag, break tag. Okay, hr tag is to hr tag is to uh, draw a horizontal line. HR tag is to draw a horizontal line. Okay. Next we'll see few other tags. Just using the P tag. This is the italic content. ఓకే సో ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఈ జస్ట్ ఈ పర్టికులర్ కంటెంట్ మాత్రమే ఇటాలిక్ లోకి రావాలండి. ఇటాలిక్ అంటే ఏంటి? ఇట్ విల్ జస్ట్ బెంట్ టు రైట్ సైడ్ లిటిల్ బిట్, రైట్? సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేయొచ్చు, ఐ ట్యాగ్ యూస్ చేయొచ్చు. You can just cut this. Okay, you can see this content is in now italic format. Okay, సో ఒక పర్టికులర్ కంటెంట్ ని మనం ఇటాలిక్ ఫార్మాట్ లో చూపించేటట్టు చేయాలి అనుకుంటే ఐ ట్యాగ్ యూస్ చేసుకొని ఆ కంటెంట్ అంతా ఐ ట్యాగ్ లోపల మెన్షన్ చేస్తే అప్పుడు ఆ డేటా అనేది ఇటాలిక్ ఫార్మాట్ లో కనిపిస్తుంది. క్లియర్? సో సేమ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ట్యాగ్ this is the similar tag for italic. Okay, so here there will be emphasis tag is the EMPH or EMP. Okay, so emphasis tag is similar to the italic only. సో ఇక్కడ చూడండి, నేను ఇక్కడ ఏం చేశాను, ఐ ట్యాగ్ యూస్ చేసుకొని డేటాని ఇటాలిక్ ఫార్మాట్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేశాను, అండ్ ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి ఈఎం ట్యాగ్ యూస్ చేసుకొని డేటాని ఇటాలిక్ ఫార్మాట్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేశాను. బట్ అవుట్పుట్ అనేది బోత్ సిమిలర్ గా ఉంది కదా, రైట్? బట్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ దిస్ ఐ ట్యాగ్ అండ్ ఈఎం ట్యాగ్ మీన్స్ ఐ ట్యాగ్ EM tag will support in more browsers when it compares to I tag. Okay, and some other differences are there. You can refer about it. You can learn more about these differences. Okay, but you can use any tag to make the content in italic format. Okay, understood? Same like this, we will be having bold tag as well. Okay, సో బోల్డ్ ట్యాగ్ కి మనం జస్ట్ బి అని యూస్ చేస్తాము. నెక్స్ట్ దానికి ఈక్వివాలెంట్ గా స్ట్రాంగ్ ట్యాగ్ అనేది కూడా ఉంది. Okay, you can see ఇక్కడ మన కంటెంట్ అనేది బోల్డ్ లో ఉంది. ఇక్కడ కంటెంట్ బోల్డ్ లో ఉంది. బట్ ఇక్కడ చూస్తే మీరు మనం ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి బీ ట్యాగ్ యూస్ చేసాం బోల్డ్ కి, ఇక్కడ స్ట్రాంగ్ ట్యాగ్ యూస్ చేసాం. బోత్ ఫంక్షనాలిటీ మాత్రం సేమే. బట్ when it comes to supporting in different browsers, strong tag will have that capability to support in lot of browsers. ఓకే, సో మీరు ఎక్కడైతే ఇటాలిక్ ఫార్మాట్స్ ని యూజ్ చేయాలి అనుకుంటారో ఆ ప్లేసెస్ లో ఈఎం ట్యాగ్ యూజ్ చేయండి. ఎక్కడైతే మీరు బోల్డ్ ఫార్మాట్ లో డేటాని రిప్రజెంట్ చేయాలనుకుంటే అలాంటి ప్లేసెస్ లో ఏంటంటే మీరు స్ట్రాంగ్ ట్యాగ్ అనేది యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, సో నెక్స్ట్ విల్ సి సబ్స్క్రిప్ట్ అండ్ సూపర్ స్క్రిప్ట్. ఓకే, సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేను ఒక సింపుల్ మ్యాథమెటికల్ ఈక్వేషన్ రాయాలి. ఓకే, ఏ ఈక్వల్స్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2x ప్లస్ 3 ఈక్వల్స్ టు 0 ఆర్ సంథింగ్. ఓకే, అలాంటప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయాలి? సింపుల్ మ్యాథమెటికల్ సింపుల్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ x square or else x cube plus 4x square minus 2x plus 3 equals to 0. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ చూస్తే మనకు జస్ట్ ఒక ఇది నార్మల్ గానే ఉంది, బట్ ఇది అర్థం కావట్లేదు కదా అసలు ఇది ఎక్స్ స్క్వేరా లేకుంటే x3 ఇంటూ 3 4 ఇంటూ 2 అని. సో అలాంటప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే వి విల్ బి హ్యావింగ్ సంథింగ్ కాల్డ్ సబ్స్క్రిప్ట్ అండ్ సూపర్ స్క్రిప్ట్ ట్యాగ్స్. ఓకే, సో సబ్స్క్రిప్ట్ అంటే ఆ, ఈ ఏమంటారు, ఈ కెమికల్ ఫార్ములాస్ ఉంటాయి కదా, అలాంటి ప్లేసెస్ లో సబ్స్క్రిప్ట్ యూస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. బట్ వెన్ ఇట్ కమ్స్ టు ద సూపర్ స్క్రిప్ట్ వీ విల్ బి యూజింగ్ ఇన్ whenever we want to represent something into the powers. Okay, on that time we can use the superscript. Understood? Now we'll see some example for that. Subscript and superscript. SUP is the superscript tag. So whatever the content that you want to mention in the power, you can mention here. Okay, so superscript tag, I need to mention 2 here. Now you can see the difference. X cube plus 4x square minus 2x equals to plus 3 equals to 0. Now we are able to understand, right? When it is there in the power, now we can able to read that properly. Okay, so similar to this, if I want to write some chemical, some formula. Okay, so H2O, for example, H2O రాయాలనుకోండి. సో ఇక్కడ మనకు H2O అనేది 2 అనేది ఎక్కడ ఉండాలి? సబ్స్క్రిప్ట్ కదా, అంటే హెచ్ కి కింద అనేది 2 ఉండాలి. సో అలాంటప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయొచ్చు అంటే ఫర్ దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ డేటా వీ కెన్ యూస్ సబ్స్క్రిప్ట్ SUB. Okay, so now you can see the content came below subscript, right? So this is how we can use the subscript, superscript, strong tag, all these tags. Now let us go to link tag. ఓకే, సో లింక్ ట్యాగ్ యాక్చువల్గా ఎందుకు అంటే మనకు we need to, whenever we want to link different pages, different files while importing or some other functionalities, we can use the link tag. Okay, before going to do in discussing this link tag, we'll discuss anchor tag. సో యాంకర్ ట్యాగ్ అంటే ఏంటంటే సో యాంకర్ ట్యాగ్ is useful to redirect the URLs. Redirect the URLs means redirecting from one page to another page. ఇప్పుడు మనము దీని మీద క్లిక్ చేసామనుకోండి. ఇప్పుడు నేను google.com గూగుల్ అని జస్ట్ గూగుల్ అని మెన్షన్ చేస్తాను. ఓకే, ఈ గూగుల్ మీద క్లిక్ చేసి నాకు గూగుల్ పేజ్ అనేది ఓపెన్ అవ్వాలి. సో అలాంటప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే ఇక్కడ యాంకర్ ట్యాగ్ చేసుకొని ఇక్కడ హెచ్రెఫ్ అంటే రెఫరెన్స్ ఎక్కడికి అనేది ఇచ్చుకోవాలి. ఓకే, www.google.com. Okay, if you click on this, you can just search Google. Okay, so ఇది google.com గూగుల్ సెర్చ్ వెబ్సైట్ కదా. సో ఇది ఏం చేయాలంటే we'll just copy this link and we will paste it in our URL. Okay, so now you can see when I click on this, it is opening google.com, right? So same like this, you can create multiple data in your page. Like I will create some other things. YouTube. Okay, and LinkedIn. Flipkart. Okay, we just need to copy this LinkedIn. So we'll just copy this. And we'll see later. Okay, so we'll copy Flipkart. Now we can come to our website. Now you can see we will be having Google, YouTube, Flipkart, LinkedIn, right? If you click on this website, this particular thing, it will redirect to the particular pages. Okay, if I click on this, you can see Flipkart has been opened, right? So if I click on YouTube, YouTube is opening. Okay, if I click on LinkedIn, LinkedIn is opening. Okay, if I click on Google, Google will open. Now the thing is, you can see, you can notice here whenever we are clicking on this particular thing, it is opening in our particular web page itself. How can we open this in the next tab? How can we open in this next tab? Okay, so there is a way to open this in the next tab. Okay, so anchor tag to open in next tab. So for that we will be using blank, something called blank. Okay, so for example, if I want to open YouTube in the next, so I will mention the target. I'll mention the target as underscore blank. Okay, underscore blank. So you can see whenever I am going to click on this YouTube, it will open in the next tab. Are you able to see this? It is opening in the next tab. But when I click on this Google, it will open in the same tab because we haven't given the target for that. So it will load in the same web page. Okay, so if I give the target equals to underscore blank. If I give the target to the Google, so Google also will open in the next tab. Are you able to see this? Okay, so this is not only for the this thing redirecting these particular simple URLs and all. We can redirect into multiple things. We will see some real-time example so that you can understand this. Okay. Is there any doubts in this one, guys? If you have any doubts in this one, please let me know. Or else we'll try to design some sort of simple website now. Okay. With the anchor text, we'll play around this anchor text. If you have any doubts, please ask me till now, or else we'll go ahead and we'll create a simple anchor tag website. Simple website where we will play with the anchor tags. Any doubts? Someone is raising the hand. If you have the doubt, you raising the hand in the sense you want me to unmute you. Okay. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment box or chat box. I'll reply, or else we'll proceed for the next. No, there is no limit for the tags that we can use in our website. We can use a lot of times. There is no issues. Okay. We'll proceed further, guys. So now what we are going to do is we will design some sort of portfolio website like this. Okay. So we will design something like this. And when I click on this My Hobbies, we need to redirect to the My Hobbies. We need to open the My Hobbies. When I click on Contact Us, we need to open the Contact Us. Okay. How can we do that? So I'm just going to create new file, or else we'll just create a folder, session 2. So now new file, home page, home.html. Okay, and I am opening my hobbies.html. Next, contact us.html. So I'm going to create three files here. Okay, so here we'll just mention here homepage. Okay, same like this. We'll just copy this. We'll paste it here, and we'll just change homes to my hobbies. Okay, and contact us. Okay, let's open this in browser. So here we have the home page. Okay. So first we'll design our home page. How was our design? So this is our design, right? So we will be having something called name and this. So what I'm going to do is we'll just give some break, and we here also will use one more break tag just to ensure that our content will be little bit down. And that means we have given two lines here. Break means we have just given we have divided the content to the next line. So when I have given two times the break tag, so it will come to fourth line. Okay. So here I'm going to use B tag. So what is this? So here I'm going to my name. Okay. And give this here. Okay. Okay. I'll just give software developer and technique. So after this we will be having horizontal line. So after this horizontal line, so here you can see here it is bold content, right? Software developer container. Okay. So after this, we will just use one more break tag to segregate the data properly, and then we will be having career objective, and we will just use here p tag, and here I will use strong tag. Okay. Career objective. Okay. And here I'm going to use the break tag to make the content to be here. You can mention your career objective. Your name, designation, okay, and then professional summary we have. Just copy this. Before that, we will be having horizontal line, and I'm using on break tag. And again, here it will be what is this? Professional summary. Professional. Professional. Okay. Okay. Now, when you go to our website, you can see this. Okay, we'll be having this data. I just remove the break tags, two, three break tags to one break tag to be better. Okay, so this is our simple website. Now we will mention our URLs. Okay, so here what we need to do, anchor tag I'm going to use. My hobbies here, contact us. So here what we need to do, we need to give the reference, right, to where we are going to redirect. So dot slash, we need to access the file. Okay, so dot means the current folder slash whatever the file name it is. So here we will be having my hobbies.html, same like this, h reference dot slash contact us dot html. Okay, so now our website is ready. Okay, now our website is ready. When I click on this my hobbies, it is going to my hobbies. When I click on contact us page, it is going to contact us page. Right? So now what we need to do, so from contact us also we need to redirect to some other pages as well, right? So for that, what we need to do, we need to mention this thing in our from this to tags now. Okay. So I'll just write a p tag here. Here you can mention you can mention your hobbies. Okay. So from here, just need to redirect to home page and contact us. Okay. So I'll just copy this too. Okay. Go here, home page, and this will be my hobbies.html. You can mention your contact details. Okay, now our website is ready, sir. Okay, now I can just see if I click on hobbies page, it came to the my hobbies page. If you click on home page, again it came back to the home page. Got it? Okay. So if we click on contact us page, it went to the contact us page. From here, you can again come to home page, go to my hobbies. From here also, you can go to my hobbies home page, hobbies, contact us, home page, contact us. So are you able to understand this? This is how we can use. For example, you can consider you can open any website. For example, Flipkart. Okay. So if I just click on mobile phones, it is redirecting to the mobile phones page, right? Okay, if I open some air coolers, it is opening the air coolers page. Okay, so if I open some phones, Samsung phones, so it is opening the Samsung phone page. Right, this is how we can also design in simple way. Understood, guys? So with the help of this A tag, we can redirect to different URLs. Any doubts? Any doubts, guys? If you have any doubts, please let me know. Okay, I'll just I will just revise what we have discussed in this session. Okay, then you can let me know. So in this session, first we have discussed italic tag and bold tag. What is the difference between the italic tag and bold tag? Sorry, italic tag and emphasis tag, bold tag and strong tag. After that, and also we have discussed about horizontal lines, how to draw a horizontal line in the web page with the help of the HR tag. And we have been discussed about the subscript and superscripts, where we can show the content in terms of the power or in terms of the base of the data to a particular expressions or particular formulas that we can do. And also we have discussed about the anchor tags. And we have designed a simple website with the help of the anchor tag as simple portfolio website. This is what the summary or the overview what we have discussed in this session. So if you have any doubts, please let me know. Okay, this is what for this session. So please practice this on time so that you won't get stuck with other things. So tomorrow we'll discuss about uh, lists. That means, for example, we'll use the same template and we'll follow. You can see what is this. Okay. For example, if you go here in my hobbies page, in hobbies page you have to mention the data dot what is your name dot particular hobby dot one after another or else one sports two something three something. In that way how can you list out the data? Okay, so all those things we'll see in next tomorrow session, and also we'll discuss few other things as well. Tables are there, inputs are there, forms are there, all those things we'll discuss in the upcoming sessions. So if you have doubts in today's session, please let me know. If you have any doubts in today's session, please let me know. Someone raise the hand. If you want me to unmute, I will unmute and you can talk. Or else please do not raise the hands. Any doubts, guys, in today's session? If you have any doubt, please let me know. If you have any doubts, please let me know. Let's stop the recording.